This is the letter T. This is how you write the letter T. The sound of the letter T is T, as in table. There is a train. The train is crossing the bridge. Do you like to travel on a train? The boy is picking tomatoes and turnips for his mother. His toy car is beside him. He plays with toys. There is a cup of tea on the table. The tea is very hot. He has very white teeth. There is some noise from the bush behind. What is it? Do you see something? It's a tiger. Run!